Hi, my name is Patrick Lippert, and this is my portfolio project called Dogger. Dogger is a React Native app that makes use of Redux. It's a site for sharing, uploading, and reviewing pictures of dogs. And you see from the front screen, it's divided into three categories. We have the top dogs, the newest dogs have been posted, and unfortunately the bottom dogs who didn't get quite as high ratings, but they are still interesting dogs to look at nonetheless. From the top screen here, you'll see we can actually go look at more detail. We're going to see the full list. And here's my dog. He's number one. That's Teddy. You can take a look. He's got 5 golden paws. We can see his dog breed and a comment that was entered at upload time. I'm going to go ahead and make him one of my favorites. And I will go back to the top screen. And I can simply just click on, even from this top view, Luna. Let's go add her as a favorite. And let's add some love to one of the dogs down here. Let's add Tiger. And at any point I can just go back here to my heart up top and we'll see that I've added my favorites. There they are. Now to create a new image, I just tab over here and let's go ahead and select an image. Let's pick one of these little Aussie Shepherds here. And I should be able to select him right there, Australian Shepherd. And let's call him, how about Dundee? And put a little quick comment in, he's my dog. We'll commit these and hit submit. We get an alert telling us that it's been submitted, but what's going on in the background, we've used Redux to actually update the state, and there he is. He appears in the newest post. He's currently not rated, so we haven't included him in the top or bottom categories at this point. That will happen later as the first review comes in, but for now, we do see that he is here. And at any time you see in this top bar here, I've created an extra navigation where I can put more icons to put more features. Perhaps in the future, we'll have a contest link that will take you to some seasonal category. We can see costume pets for Halloween or maybe for Easter. Additional login features and more things will be expanded here in the future. Let's take a look at the code. One of the main challenges with Dogger was getting the navigation settled for the main application. As you saw earlier, it's a series of tab navigators with stack navigators beneath it as you go through the app. However, to achieve the top status bar where I had the heart embedded, I had to actually create yet another stack navigator above it all, and it's a modal type. So that was the big challenge, was getting that figured out. From there, you can take a look at Home Component, which generates the front screen. I make use of Section Grid, which is from React Native SuperGrid. A great library that allows me to divide the data up and call functions for each one of the sections. And you see that I prepared data. I sliced 6 images off for each category, but I also prepared the full data set to be passed along when you click on the See More Pictures button. And it takes you to the full list component, which uses yet another component from the same library, Flat Grid. And again, rather than having segmented data, it shows the full collection. And then from there, I actually used my own component to do the dog detail. And this is where, if I bring it up, I construct basically a simple card with the image, the rating, the description, but I also did create my own little ad carousel on the bottom. That's where we saw the PetSmart, the Chewy.com. So basically showing how you could actually capitalize on this application in the future with advertising. This same component can be used on all the other various screens, but for now, I put it into the full image viewer. So that's the core of the code with the exception of the Redux state. And you'll see at the bottom here in the action creators, when I did create a new dog to be posted, I took that image information and the description and I prepped it. But when we go actually to the actual reducer, you'll see I actually put a timestamp of the date. I included an initial rating of 0 for unrated yet. And that's how I created that and added it to the stateless line. So that is the building blocks for my app. I hope you like it. Thanks.